Hi, I'm Carol Greenzales with the Kathy Cairo Group at Keller Williams, Greater Columbus. The Central Ohio market is a tough one for buyers right now, and I want to ensure that my buyers are prepared to write a winning offer. Kathy Cairo has written a book called 10 Ways to Win in a Challenging Market. It goes over tried and true methods on how to ensure that your offer will be a winning one. Today I want to talk to you about tip number 6, which is letting the seller off the hook for repairs. Now, as a buyer, once you're in contract, you have the right to a home inspection by a professional of your choice. After the home inspection, you have 3 options. Option 1 is to move forward with no repair requests from the seller. Option 2 is to terminate the agreement altogether. And option 3 is to go back to the seller and request repairs that you would like done to the home prior to closing. Now, in a typical market, the third option is what happens most often. However, in this competitive market, you can make your offer more attractive by waiving your right to ask for any repairs to the seller. This still leaves you with the 2 options of either moving forward with no repairs or terminating the contract. If you do waive your right to request for repairs, this means that unless something's in catastrophic condition, you are willing to take on any needed repairs as your own post-close project. Now, besides giving the seller huge incentive to choose your offer over others, it gives you peace of mind that the repairs that you wanted done are done correctly, either because you did them or by a professional that you prefer. If you want to win in this challenging market, you can get a copy of this book at ourohiohome.com. I'm Carol Greenzales, and I look forward to working with you.